Hey, Zero TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Check this bad boy out. We have another volunteer smoker rolling out of the shop today. Now, this one from my man Joseph, and Joseph called me up and said, "Hey, buddy, why don't y'all fire that bad boy up and cook on her?" So we fired it up, cooked some briskets on it. Lawson filmed a little Will It Fit video. Y'all can check that out on YouTube, and he put 25 briskets, or 25, no, it was 11 briskets on this bad boy right here. And hey, they ain't no little girl Texas briskets. These are big boys, Tennessee briskets, all right, about 18 pounds each before we trimmed them. So fit 11 on there for all y'all asking. So that came out pretty good. We're happy with that. But we'll check this bad boy out. So it is on our off-road package. All right, and he chose some pretty badass upgraded wheels and tires here. Those things look slick on this. Guys, what's nice about our off-road package is the wheels swivel all the way underneath. So makes it somewhat easy to maneuver around. This smoker is heavy, about 1,200 pounds, but it makes it doable. Comes with a fold-down stack standard. All right, you ain't got to pay extra for that. Fold-down stack. Got your front shelf here. We'll open her up. It is a little dirty in there, so got a lot of briskets in there, but guys, got a lot of room in our volunteer smoker. It actually comes out to about 128, 130 gallon smoker here, so you got a lot of room in there. Does have a water pan tray back in the back. Close that door down. All 1/4 inch plate steel, and you come around the firebox, it's actually 3/8 thick, so you got an extra thick firebox. As you can see, we did a good job cleaning our ash out in there. That looks great. Close that puppy up. But yeah, that's the volunteer. We're about to go crate this thing up, ship it out to my man Joseph. So let me polish up that TMG Pits Tell True Gauge made in America right there. But yeah, guys, that's it. We're gonna go package her up, send her on down the road, hop in there on the next one. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.